epic prank we played, didn't we? You're right there, Billy boy. He'll never catch us here. Wait a minute. Is he gonna report us to the manager? Ha ha ha! He will not! Hear that? It's coming from the tunnel.
There's something in that tunnel there. One of you needs to go and investigate what it is with the workmen.
You go in. No you, Billy boy! No you! No you! No you!
Stop arguing! One of you, Bill, go in there, now.
I have a shit feeling about this.
What has gotten into you? There they are. Sweet devils. They ran off laughing after I heard the trucks mocking me.
Moments later.
Well, Ben, I've been looking for you. What you did to BoCo was completely out of order. Because of that, you have caused confusion and delay. I demand an apology from you two towards him.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
Apology accepted.
I've also spoken to Diseasel about the matter as well, and he has not been left off the hook either.
But we saw the Willie's man in the clay pits.
I saw them running towards the docks much too fast. Nonsense. I'm sure you're making another one of your... They must be scared out of their wits, running into the sea like that. How are we going to get them out, sir?
I don't know, Edward. I just don't know.
Later.
My bad. We should have known what we did would backfire so badly and end up with us in the ocean.
Oh, of course. But you'll be repaired in good time. So you know now not to play tricks on BoCo. Do you?
Yes, we know. We won't.
That is good, Bill and Ben. I must get going now. Bye-bye.
Hope they can give us a good wash. All this seawater is already making me sick. Maybe this is our comeuppance, after all.